Yo, wake up. It's day 887 running every single day. Woo! 15 miles. 15 miles in books, and that was an 8:09 pace, just 1 second slower than yesterday. I already miss it. I already missed that run, and it just ended, so I'm going to go for a lunch run here just a little bit, so I'll see you soon. Back out here again for a lunch run. Halfway done with this one, which means we're doing about 5 miles. Perfect for me. That'll round out 20 miles for the day. And man, it's just good to be out here in the sun. It's about 45 degrees, sunny, feels great. Especially with some snow coming this weekend, starting tomorrow. That was 5 miles at an 8:40 pace. Very, very enjoyable. 8 miles for lunch. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's how we like it. Hopefully you're feasting some miles, maybe even if you're snacking on some kilometers. That'd be sweet. So get into it today, enjoy it, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.